Hello, my beautiful kids. How are you all? I am back with our mathematics chapter number 3, numbers up to 100, and this is our 6th session for the chapter. Till now, we have seen numbers and number name from 21 to 100. Now we will see what is there for us in this chapter. It is place value of numbers. This we have already done, right? So it is just the revision with 2-digit number. Okay? Yes. Now, what is the place? See, all 2-digit numbers are placed under tens and ones. This we already have learned. Okay? This is called a place value chart. Now, this is your place value chart. Place value chart for 32. Now this set of colors is 10, that is 110, 210 and 3 tens, that is 3 tens. And how many ones are there? 1 and 2. So 2 ones. So 32 is equal to 3 tens and 2 ones. Here it is written 3 tens and 2 ones. Okay. Let us see one more example. Example number 2. Place value chart of 24. Now see how 24 is written. There is two bunches of crayon, right? Each set is 110. This is 110. That is 2 tens. Okay, here it is written 2. Now how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. In ones column it is written 4. So it's 24. 2 tens and 4 ones make 24. Let us see one more example. Place value chart of 42. Now see, each bunch has 10 colors. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 set of crayons. That is how many tens? 4 tens. Okay, 4 tens. How many ones is there? 1, 2. 2 ones. So 4 tens and 2 ones makes 42. So this was the place value chart. That is 2-digit numbers, okay, can be placed in ones column and tens column. Okay, kids? Yes. Now we will move to the another topic, that is expanded form. Now what do you mean by expanded form? See, it's nothing but you have to write it the way it is. Okay. Now let us see. There are 2 bunches of set. Yes. So 2 tens. See, 2 tens. Now this 2 tens means how many? 20. Yes. So how it is written here? See, 20. Expanded form means you have to write in the form of ones. Okay. So this one box has 10 pencils. Another box has 10 pencil. So 10 and 10 pencil makes how many pencils or crayon? That is 20. So here it is written 20. Yes. And how many ones is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. So 24 is 2 tens and 4 ones. So is expanded form is C. Here it is written. Now 4 is on the ones place. Single digit number. Yes. Now 2 is on the tens place, right? Tens place means 20. Okay, 2, 0. Yes, there are 20 crayons, right? So here it is written 20. So this is the expanded form of the number 24. Okay, kids? So the number 24's expanded form is 20 plus 4. So if we add 4 to the number 20, we will get 24. Like 20 and count 4, it is 21, 22, 23, 24. So if I add 4 to the number 20, I will get the number 24. Next. Now let us see a few more examples. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 sets of crayon. Now each has how many colors? 10 colors. Now 10 plus 10 plus 10. How many pencils are there? Color pencil? 30. Very good. So here it is written 30. Plus, how many ones is there? 2 ones. So here it is written 2. 32 is 3 tens and 2 ones. That is 32. Okay, kids? 3 tens means 30. Yes. So this is the expanded form of 32. 30 plus 2. Okay. So if I add 2 to 30, it becomes 32. Right? Okay. Now moving to one more example. Now let us see how many bunches are there. Set of crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 set of color pencils. Right? So 4 tens. See here it is written 4 tens. In the tens place 4. 1, 2. 2 ones. 2 ones. Okay. Now 4 tens means how many? 40. Good. So the expanded form for the number 42 is 40 plus 2. So this was the expanded form. Let's see few more example on expanded form. Now see, here it is only one bunch of color pencil, right? So here it is written 1, 10. 1, 10. And how many ones? 1, 2. 2 ones. So 1, 10 and 2 ones make 12. So 12. 10. 1, 10 is 10 plus 2. Okay? So it's 10 plus 2 is 12. So 12 color pencil. Our next example is 85. Now how you will expand this number 85? Now 8. 8 tens. 8 is on the tens place. So 8 tens. 8 tens means how many? 8 you have to write 10 times. That is 80. Yes, 80, 80. And 5 on ones place. That is 85. 80 plus 5 is 85. Okay, kids? Yes. So this was our expanded form of numbers. Now let us see one more topic. This is, you have already done this, but now we are going to do with the double digit number. Before, after, between. Okay. So 5, 6 and 7. Now 5 comes before 6, right? And 7 comes after 6. Whereas 6 is between 5 and 7. Likewise, 55, 56 and 57. 55 comes before 56 and 57 comes after 56. Whereas 56 comes between 55 and 57. So, now you are going to repeat after me because we have already done this twice. First time in chapter number 1, second time in chapter number 2. Okay, now in this chapter you have to say it on your own. Now example number 1, that is 22, 23 and 24. So kids, tell me, 22 is before which number? Yes, tell me. 23, very good. And 24 comes after 23, good. And 23 is between, come on, tell me which two numbers? 22 and 24. Very good. Now moving to the next example. 67, 68, 69. Now 67 comes before 68. Very good. 67 comes after 68. Yes. And 68 comes in between 67 and 69. Excellent. Now third example. Read the numbers after me. 89, 90 and 91. Yes. Now 89 comes before 90, 90. Very good. And 91 comes after 90, 90. Yes. And 90 comes in between 89 and 91. Okay, kids? Yes. So here we have completed our 3 very little teeny mini topics, that is, first was place value chart of numbers, then expanded form of numbers, and before, after and between numbers. Now we are going to solve our exercise 3C based on these topics. So kids, let's get started. Question number 1. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. Now here the numbers are given and you have to write the expanded form. Now 54 is the first number. Here 4 is on ones place. So ones place is here. Whereas 5 is on tens place. Tens means 5, 10, 5, 0, 50. Yes. So here you will write 5, 0, 50 and here you will write 4. Next, 6, 7, 67. How you will expand it? Tell me. Yes, first 66 is on the tens place. Yes, so what you will write here? 60, 60 and 7 over here. Yes. Next, 83, 83. Now 3 is on ones place whereas 8 is on tens place. Very good. So you are going to write here 3 and what you will write here? 8 or 8080? Very good. It's 8080, that is tens. 80, 8 tens, that is 80. Question number 2. Write the number that comes before. Now you have to write the numbers which come before these numbers. Now first is 45. Now what comes before 45? Tell me. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Which number came before 45? Yes, it's 44. Now second, B1. 93. Now you tell me what will come before 93. Count from 91. 91. Yes, 92. 93. So which number came before 93? 92, 92. Yes, it's 92. Third one, 87, 87. Now, what you will do? Yes, come on, who is going to tell me? 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. What comes before 87? 86, exactly. So write 86. Now let's see question number 3. Write the number that comes after. Now which number comes after 67? 67, 68. Yes, 68. Which number comes after 83? 83 and 84. You will write 84. And what comes after 94? 95. Good. Now moving to question number 4. Write the number that comes between these numbers. Now you have to write which number will come between these following numbers. First one is 78-8080. So what will come in between this number? 78. Yes. 79. Very good. 80. So your answer for first is 79. Next, 59, 59 dash and 61. What will come between these two numbers? 59, 60, 61. Very good. Third one, 91 dash 93. Now which number will come between 91 and 93? Correct. It's 92. So kids, you have very well done with all these questions. Now what you have to do is, you have to write this exercise 3C in the book in which you have already written the exercise I have given you before. Okay? So this is all for today's class. See you tomorrow. Take care. Keep smiling.